my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time. And at my tea party, I love to share with you guys my planner related videos, organization videos, and so much more to come here at my tea party. And I love to do all those things while sipping on my favorite cup of tea. Now, I hope that you enjoy my channel enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can become a part of my Tea Party Squad. Now, in today's video, I am going to be planning, or you will get an opportunity to see me plan in my Frankenplanner. And within inside of my Frankenplanner, I am going to be planning for my social media. And I'm going to be planning for the week of July the 20th through the 26th. Now, let's go ahead, actually, let me go ahead and pull out those weeks so that I can talk about the stickers that I'm going to be using. All right. So we're going to be planning for the week of July the 20th through the 26th. And before I get started, I do want to go ahead and start doing it, introducing what I'm going to be using inside of my Plan With Me's. So for this Plan With Me, I wanted to go ahead and use this Soft Geode sticker book. I absolutely love this sticker book, but a little intimidated, but we're going to see. But I wanted to go ahead and dive into this because I have not used any of the stickers yet. This is actually listed on the Happy Planner website as Modern Geode. And I absolutely love this sticker book. I do have a flip through of it that I will put here inside the video so that you can go ahead at your leisure after watching this video. You can come back and click on that link so that you can go ahead and check out that flip through. But for today, I'm going to be using some Soft Geode stickers, and I'm going to be using some RongRong dolls with this, I think. I'm not for sure, but I do have my stickers a little pre-planned out as far as how I'm going to be using it. And so if you are new to my channel, what I like to utilize my social media planner for, I use the vertical layout, and I like to have a section where I can put my things to do, things I need to get done for either YouTube, Instagram, or Pinterest. I am getting a little lazy with keeping up with my Pinterest account, but please feel free to go ahead and follow me there. That's where I also put and pin most of my planner spreads and planner videos as well. So make sure you go check out my Pinterest account and make sure you check out Southern Tea Time's board. That's where I put all of my videos and my planner spreads in there as well. And then I also like to have just a dedicated little box or square where I can put down my videos that I release onto YouTube so that it's at a glance. And then because it is in 3 sections and I'm not really keeping up with so much, I do want to have a decorative piece, but I don't know how I'm going to do this week. I think I'm going to do a little different because the past couple of weeks I have been doing like a decorative little piece, but I'm going to do something different that I normally don't do. I think I'm going to stagger some of the stickers over the lines of this right here. And that's something new for me because I normally don't do that. I try to stay inside the lines, but I want to be different and I want to try new things. So we're going to do that. Also on this side here, I do like to keep up with my weekly stats for YouTube and Instagram. And I technically want to try to go ahead and do Pinterest, but we're going to see. I'm still trying to figure Pinterest out. But for the most part, that's all I do is just pin my videos. So maybe I'll do like a tracker just to make sure I'm tracking when I put my pins in and making sure I'm pinning my videos into my Pinterest account. But we'll see. But for this part here, I just normally keep up with my tracking. So that's what I do for that. And so I want to explain that process for those of you who are new to my tea party or just coming in because you're interested in my social media planner and wanting to know how I'm utilizing that. So that's what we're going to do. So let me give you a glimpse of what I'm going to be using. Let's pull this off to the side. And so this is how I pre-plan. I use wax paper. I have tried the Happy Planner planner guide, but that just does not work for me. It does not do well with my stickers when I'm pre-planning as far as the ease of moving it around. So I went back to my old way and used some either wax paper, parchment paper, or whatever you want to call it. And so I just went with these boxes here because it already has the to-dos. And I thought this would be great for me to put into my social media planner so that I can put down all of my list of things I need to get done. And then I can check them off, and then just tying in some quotes and some RongRong dolls. So that's just a preview of what you can expect from this Plan With Me video. So let's go ahead and get started. right, guys, so I think I'm done with this spread. I love how everything turned out. I love the heart of gold. I love this one that says go where you feel most alive. Super cute. I'm really starting to feel this soft geode or modern geode sticker book. So what you guys didn't see was that I did maneuver some of these stickers right here because I wanted to still have that full element as if, you know, it all tied in together. So like this little gold line here, I wanted to kind of run together with this one. So I moved this one up and brought this one down. And I kind of did the same thing for this one. I kind of wanted the colors to kind of line together to make it look like it was all together. But for the most part, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed me planning for this week. I hope you love the spread. Also, if you love this video and this spread, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure you check me out on Instagram, where I'll be posting my before and possibly my after the pin spread as well, if I remember to post my after pin spread on Instagram as well. And make sure you give it a like as well over there. And if you are new to my tea party, I hope you enjoyed this video and this plan with me. And hopefully you'll go ahead and consider clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell to become a part of my tea party squad. So you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.